If you're considering Fastly for your web hosting needs, there are a few things you should know before you buy. Compared to other popular services like Cloudflare and AWS, Fastly offers a unique blend of performance and features, but it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Let's dive into 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. First, Fastly is a content delivery network, CDN, that's known for its high performance and edge computing capabilities. What sets it apart from Cloudflare and other competitors is its ability to handle dynamic content at scale, not just static files. This makes it ideal for websites that require real-time data delivery, like streaming platforms or large-scale e-commerce sites. Next, Fastly's network is designed for speed. It uses a modern architecture that can deliver content to users faster by caching it closer to their location. This is great for reducing latency, but it's also important to note that it works best for sites with a global audience, especially if you have users spread across multiple continents. The third thing you should consider is Fastly's focus on developer tools. Fastly puts a heavy emphasis on giving developers control over the platform with real-time configuration changes and powerful APIs. This is a huge advantage if you're running a tech-heavy website or need more granular control over your CDN performance, unlike the more user-friendly interfaces of services like SiteGround. Next, Fastly offers edge computing capabilities, which allow you to run applications at the network edge, closer to the user. This can be a game changer for reducing response times and handling real-time data processing. However, it may require a bit more technical expertise to fully leverage these features. The fifth point is about pricing. Fastly can be more expensive than other CDNs, especially if you need high volumes of bandwidth or advanced features. For smaller websites, this might not be the most cost-effective solution when compared to budget-friendly services like DigitalOcean or even AWS CloudFront. Moving on, Fastly does offer a pay-as-you-go model, which can be an advantage for businesses that want flexibility and don't want to commit to long-term contracts. However, the pricing structure can be complex, and it's easy to run into unexpected charges if you're not keeping track of your usage. The seventh thing to keep in mind is Fastly's security features. It offers DDoS protection and web application firewalls, which are essential for protecting your site from malicious traffic. While these features are robust, they may not be as comprehensive as what some other providers offer, like Cloudflare's free security layer. Next up, Fastly's support system is generally considered good, with 24/7 support available via email and chat. However, some users report that the support can be slow during peak times, which could be a concern if you need immediate help. This is something to keep in mind when comparing it to competitors like AWS, which typically offers more scalable support. The ninth point is about integration. Fastly integrates well with many major platforms, including Shopify and WordPress. However, if you're using custom applications or less common tech stacks, you might run into some compatibility issues that could require extra effort to fix. The 10th thing to know is Fastly's focus on sustainability. They've made strides in reducing their carbon footprint, which could be appealing if you're looking to make environmentally conscious decisions about your hosting provider. However, compared to companies like Google Cloud, Fastly is still catching up in terms of their overall sustainability efforts. The 11th thing to consider is the learning curve. While Fastly is powerful, it's not the most beginner-friendly CDN out there. If you're new to web hosting or just looking for a simple solution, you might want to explore other options, like SiteGround, which is easier to set up and manage. Finally, Fastly excels at helping large-scale businesses that need high performance, real-time edge computing, and advanced control. If your site fits this description, Fastly could be an excellent choice. However, if you're running a smaller or simpler website, you might be better off with a provider that's easier to use and more affordable. Overall, Fastly is a solid option if you're focused on speed, security, and advanced features. However, if you're looking for a simpler, more affordable option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.